step into the Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper grille surround 1 chrome texture 1 black wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches cast aluminum painted bright front bumper, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, manual adjust 4-way driver seat front center seat cushion storage manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat 3 rear seat head restraints, Patriot Blue Pearl Coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 Hemi MDS VVTe torque included Hemi badge active noise control system heavy-duty engine cooling thermal rear axle, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, STD, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches premium